In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 ways to charge your Apple Pencil. The first generation. The first method is the one that most people are familiar with, which is by plugging your Apple Pencil into your iPad, which looks a bit silly but gets the job done. Note, my Apple Pencil has a cover, which is why it looks different. The second method is to use the charger with an adapter. Your Apple Pencil comes with a little adapter that can be easily overlooked as it is quite tiny. You will need the wall charger, a lightning cable, and the little adapter. With the little adapter, you want to make sure the end with the circle connects to your Apple Pencil, like so. Then just plug in your charger into an outlet. I don't have one nearby, so I won't be demonstrating that. Hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!